And look at this, guys. That's a result of my work in this year.
This video made for entertainment and educational purposes only, so don't repeat anything you see in this video.
Hi friends, my name is Mike and welcome to my new video. This video is special because I want to answer to all your questions. You send me really a lot of questions like how to make a free USDT or how to make a free crypto. And that's a complicated question, especially in 2026. And look at this, guys. That's a result of my work in this year. And as you can see, I understand something, so I want to show you something incredibly cool in this video. And before we start, guys, I want to remind that everything I show in this video is strictly for educational and entertainment purpose only. And this is the thing I was talking about, guys. And before we start, I want to jump straight inside the interesting part, and I will show you the interesting tool what I found recently, and this is an incredibly tool. So look at this, guys. All I need is just to repeat that point like this here and there. All right, okay, so let me check. There are the two is here and there. All right, let me check. Yeah, and it's wonderful, guys. Look at this. This is the thing I was talking about, and this video I will explain you how I found this. And let me reload the page. Yeah, I now will explain you how I found this tool and how I use it and how I'm testing this. So you can pause the video right now because this is the name of this tool. Yeah, you can find it easily. And in fact, this tool is not unique, guys. There is a lot of different similar tools online. You can find it. But in this video, I want to explore this tool a bit more. So I will show you everything what I'm doing right now, and you can check my video. You can check my previous video also, because I have few videos all about this application. And there I explain how to set up this or that. And there is small requirements, guys, and I will do it real fast. I will complete this task real quick. So just give me a few seconds. I need to open this. And if you have any ideas, guys, what kind of tools I can test next, you can drop me your ideas in the comments under this video, below this video. I usually read all of them, so okay, I just need to continue, and I will give you feedback, or probably I will make a new video and I will explain you everything. All right, that's a process, and that's really amazing. Just I need to wait a few seconds more to see the notification came that everything approved. Yeah, that's really awesome. So all I just need to come back here. Let me just probably I need to just close this application and open it again. That's really simple, guys. That's really simple steps what I'm doing here, and it's nothing complicated. And guys, just let me reload the page. Yeah, that's already updated. That's really awesome, and this is why I like this, because everything super fast and super simple. All right, so the tutorial is really simple. Okay, yeah, the loading is started, but it started automatically because I did it before, guys. And if you're interested in how to make this setup, you can just follow the instruction inside. That's really super simple, and there is only 3 steps. I did it. All right, so I got a new picture. That's really awesome, and all I just need is I will do the small preparation here, small setup. All right, that's really cool. So the picture is like that. We need to just, all right, here, and the last one on the bottom part. All right, and look at this, guys. This is really amazing. That's really unique tool, and I like the test how it did. So all I need just to do right now is to send everything back, because this is the whole point of this video. All right, I need to do like that will be enough. Okay, let me open here. Let me just grab this one. All right, let me back. Okay, and enter it like that. Come on. Yeah, confirm. That's really awesome, guys. That's really awesome. This is super simple steps. That's already updated. Okay, so first of all, I just need to open it back to the main. And here, guys, all I just need is to wait the update. So I'm gonna refresh the page. It usually really take fast time. Yeah, look at this. That's already here, and this is really simple and really cool. All right, guys, and if you like this video, share it with your friends. Drop your comments and don't forget to subscribe to my video because I prepare a lot of cool and different stuff for you.